Hi everybody, and it's actually raining already. So this is like a part 2, and I'm still at my balcony and I got wet and stuff. So if you can't see the rain, I'll try to let you see it. If you can see that, it's actually raining, so yeah, it's really raining and it's stormy already. So, ow my, guys, I just got wet. Why do I keep getting wet? Okay, so that's a proof waterfall. Why is there? Guys, I'm legit wet. Even right here. I'm already dry, so because I'm inside my mom and dad's room. So here's a view, but you can't actually see it, but you can still hear it. So bye guys.